Halo semuanya, balik lagi bersama gua Katfu. Gue di sini mau lanjutin game yang udah kemarin gue mainin, Honey Trap. Kali ini ada sequelnya Honey Trap Burn. Pas buka gamenya itu langsung dikasih konten warning ya. This game contains description of blood, injuries, one-shattering, implication of sexual intercourse. Jadi ada darah, ada luka, ada jahit luka, ya dan ada benar sexual intercourse. Oke, kita lanjutin aja ya. Berarti di sini bakal ada PC content. Honey Trap Burn preference. Gedein dulu musiknya. Oke, sip. Betul. Oke, gamenya kita start. A short adventure meant as a thank you to everyone who supports Zakaria in the first short game. For better understanding, I do recommend you play the previous game first. Enjoy. Gue udah mainin. Pain, worry, exhaustion, and the smell of blood. Wah, wangi darah, bau darah. You curse under your breath, carefully bracing Zakaria, who is leaning against you. Kita bawa Zakaria. The hallways like are dim and flickering, casting haphazard shadow against the cheap linoleum. Zacharias' steps are heavy, breathing labored as he hisses through his teeth. Kenapa luka kah? His right hand is braced against his side, shaking as red seeps down his fingers. Wow! Ketusuk? Ketembak? Hold on. We are nearly there. He musters a weary smile that breaks into a grimace. You frown as he winches. Winch. Oh, debar-debar. He doesn't sound good. As you direct your and Zacharias' feet to the apartment door, you land him against the wall. He looks pale, pucat. Iyalah, lagi luka coy.
Keys in my left pocket.
In your left pocket. Kantong kiri. A groan of pain cuts him off, his hand losing pressure against the one on his side. You cover his hand with your own, bracing it against the torn flesh. Wow, gede kah lukanya? Thanks, honeybee. You grimace. Can I have you bleeding out in the hallway? Ya nanti susah bersihinnya. As annoying as you are alive, you'd be more annoying dead. Ya nanti repot ya memakaminya. Your voice wavers, betraying the nonchalant facade you hold. Zachariah breathes a soft chuckle before winching.
So you do love me.
Ya, iya sih, meskipun lu mantan ya. You roll your eyes at his words and retrieve the keys from his pocket. Your hand fumbles with the keys, still shaky from adrenaline as you step the metal inside the dingy clock on the door. I'm surprised that you even need a key for this place. A butter knife could open this shit. Butter knife nggak tuh? You hear Zachariah laugh next to you, breathy and pine. Turning to Zachariah, you brace him against you, half dragging the tall man inside. The apartment is dark, but to your surprise it looks normal. Ya kalau nggak normal nanti orang curiga lagi. I have expected the inside of this to be a mess. Dikiranya berantakan. Zachariah breathes out a strained laugh.
You don't think much of me, huh? Do you, honeybee?
Dia kasih kesel sama lu sih soalnya, Zach. You murmur a noise of agreement to mask your concern, continuing to drag your injured companion down the hallway. Ya, kita bawa dia masuk. Reaching the living room, you dump him onto the couch, grimacing as he yelps in pain. Ouch! Oh, sorry.
Don't be. You know I can take it.
Masokis. You narrow your eyes and sigh. Medkit, bedroom, second drawer. Okay. You nod and hurry to the bedroom. You quickly yank open the drawer to grab the plastic case inside. Selalu sediakan medkit ya. Setting it on the counter, you turn to wash your hands and splash cool water over your face. The dark circles under your eyes are heavy. Your face is still slightly grimy from the soot. You brush yourself against the counter, breathing heavily as you clench your eyes. The panic from the earlier ambush is still fresh in your mind. Wah, kita kena ambush. You and Zakaria had been in your apartment planning your next move to figure out what's been killing off members of your team. And where Hayate was forced into hiding. But then it happened so fast. Your door flying off its hinge, bullets raining down. Waduh, diserang pakai peluru. Zakaria immediately took down the two assailants as you scrambled to grab your gear. It would have been a clean getaway had the hunter not been sent after you both. They were so quiet, managing to get the jump on you. Berarti mereka tuh saking mindik-mindiknya gitu sampai bisa nyerang. If Zakaria hadn't realized and instinctively protected you, wah kita dilindungi sama Zakaria. You shake the memories away, shrugging off your jacket, and toss the article into the wastebasket, not wanting to smell the gunpowder any longer before returning outside. Zakaria isn't on the couch. Zach, kemana kau? Over here. You squint in the low light as you see Zakaria saunter back to the couch, whiskey bottle clutched in his hand. Lagi luka, malah ngambil whiskey bottle. He falls back against the couch cushion ungracefully. Ya lagi luka. Leaning back against the cushion. Honeybee, be a darling. He holds out the whiskey bottle to you with one hand, his eyes darting down to his other hand, still pressed against his wounds. You grasp the bottle, eyes frown in concern as you turn the cap and hand the now-open bottle back. Kita bukain buat dia. Zakaria takes a deep swig from the amber-colored bottle, his face grimacing. He gestures down to his wound. Shall we? You place the medkit down on the coffee table and slide beside him onto the couch. Yeah. Your hands stiffly part his unbuttoned shirt, exposing the gash on his right side. Your frown deepens. You didn't tell me it was this bad. Tawa kau, you didn't ask. You felt like punching him, gritting your teeth as you check over the wound. Sabar. The gash isn't shallow like you hope it would be, but it isn't life-threatening. Lumayan dalam sih, tapi nggak mengancam nyawa. Your hand drifts down, grabbing the disinfectant from the medkit and steps some onto his wound with a cloth. Zakaria yelps, his hand flying down to grab yours. Honeybee. He looks uncomfortable. Sorry, I'm out of practice. You mumble while cleaning the area around the torn flesh. Zacharia's grip on you loosens. You watch as he places the whiskey bottle on the counter before running his hand back through his hair. Wow. Talk to me. Suara kecil. Your eyes widen, hands stealing. I don't know what you're talking about. Your heart is still sinking. Zacharia's hand is gentle as he lifts your chin, making you look into his amber-colored eyes. Beautiful. His voice gentle as he speaks.
Something's bothering me, and it isn't just the ambush.
You wrench your face away, staring into the darkness of the apartment as your mask threatens to crack. Ya, kita nggak bisa pura-pura nggak peduli lagi, coy. Unless you want to bleed out on the couch, I suggest we have this talk after I stitch you up. Zacharias' eyes wavered nervously.
Can't we just, bandage it up?
Bandage it up. You raise an eyebrow incredulously. Is the big bad #1 hitman Zachariah Crowley still scared of needles? Iya, takut sama jarum. Waduh, kualat ngetawain orang. Nggak boleh ngetawain orang takut sama jarum. Langsung batuk. Sorry, maaf. Zachariah leans closer, his signature obnoxious smirk on his lips.
So you think I'm bad, honeybee?
I'm bad, honeybee. You snort at him, rolling your eyes. Hey, can a man have fears? Boleh kok. Boleh. Zack, you brave gunshot step once. Hell, one time you even slip off the bridge. Wow, lompat kah kau?
How many times do I have to tell you? I was pushed.
Push. Didorong siapa? You let a chuckle escape you, missing the look of surprise on Zachariah's face. Push? He was nowhere near you. Even Natsu agreed. Who Natsu? Siapa Natsu? Your hands resume cleaning the wound, wiping up the last trace of surrounding blood before tossing the cloth onto the coffee table. Yeah, you know Natsu would do anything to make fun of me. And he was right for it. I can't believe you're taking his side. Zachariah jokes, breaking into a snort of laughter. You're just mad because you can bet his top score in DDR. Wah, jago kah main DDR? Dance. Come on, honeybee, you already teased me enough. You laugh again, shaking your head, your hands grabbing the surgical thread and needle from the medkit. Saatnya kita jahit lukamu, Jack. Zack twitched as you hold the needle up.
Honeybee, my darling, my baby, sweetie pie.
Hey, baby, sweetie pie. You cringe. Please stop.
Light of my life, my little Pookie. Ow!
Ow! You slapped his arm. I'm injured, remember? Funny, you're not acting like it. Now sit the still. You pull his shirt more to the side, threading a length of thread onto the sharp metal point. Looking up at Zack, you watch his eyes dart nervously. You take pity on the man and thread your finger with his, squeezing reassuringly. I'll be gentle, bro. Gue bakal lembut-lembut sama kau.
Shame, because I like it rough.
Dasar masokis! You glare at him, the intensity softening once you see the masked anxiety in the man's gaze. Him. Wah! Cium! A sudden surge of emotion overwhelms you and you lean up to press your lips against his. Zachariah, surprised, quacked his muffled by your lips before his hand shoots up, grasping your hair and pulling you closer. Wow, kalian! You gasp a little in surprise and he takes the chance to push his tongue against yours. A few minutes pass before you part with him. His grin is irritating you. So, he drops and you take the chance to position the needle against his skin with the needle holder clamps. Jahit lagi. Wait! You hold him down. Zachariah jumps nervously at your tone. If you keep stalling, you really will bleed out. Spoken like you didn't already stall him with that kiss just then. Zachariah shakes and relents, leaning back and looking away. You'll be okay. I'll be uncomfortable for a little, then you can go back to doing whatever it is you do. You hold the skin with the forceps. Oh, sakit. Before sliding the needle into him. Ouch! Zachariah hissed, his hand clenching the couch cushion as he whimpers. Don't like needles. He hummed sympathetically. He was always fearful of them. You must, as you remember how difficult it was to get him to take his tetanus shot. That time he stepped on a rusty nail. Oh, gue juga pernah tuh. Injek paku. I know, Zach. You pulled the thread and looped it around the needle driver before knotting it firmly, completing the first suture. Jahitan terakhir. Zachariah is uncharacteristically quiet. You alright?
Don't regret it.
Don't regret what? Apa? He remembers when he's nervous. I forgot. You make a noise of confusion. Urging him to elaborate, he breathes a heavy sigh as you push the needle through his skin again. Dijahit lagi. How is this scarier than the ambush? Ya, kau takut pada needle, bro. Takut pada jarum. He chuckles nervously, grabbing the forgotten whiskey bottle and taking another large swig. A droplet of whiskey trails from his lips and down his neck wall. Dipping into his clavicle, you ate the amber liquid, shoving down a strangely hot feeling in your stomach.
What I meant to say is, I don't regret shooting you for that answer.
Suaranya kecil ya. Tadi udah digedein padahal. Maaf ya. You grimace the unpleasant feeling from before overtaking the warmth in your lower half, plunging you back into the sickening icy cold. Zachariah's voice lowers as he placed the bottle down, reaching over to tilt your chin up, forcing you to look into his eyes.
Do it again.
Oh, you'll do it again. Bakal dilakuin lagi, coy, ngelindungin kita. The determination in his eyes is too much. You're not ready for him to dig so deep and carve the truth out. Yet, I be honest with him. You might not get the chance again. Zachariah cocks his head to the side. Tell me, you complete another suture. Scared. A crease marks the space between his brows. You breathe, the words escaping you like a bullet from a gun. The truth tears across your thoughts. I was scared. You stitch another suture. Look, I wasn't ready for you to come back into my life. Iya, ketemu mantan siapa sih yang ready? Zacharias looked pain. When I was locked away, I thought I hate you. I did hate you. It broke my heart, you know. You laugh bitterly. Tears break the corner of your eyes as you push the needle into him again. Grabbing the forceps again, you stitch another section of his injury close. Yet right now you feel like you're opening your old ones. Aww. Zachariah is silent, staring at you with an indescribable expression, like he's trying to hold it together so you don't completely fall apart. And then you show up in my apartment. It didn't even take you more than a few weeks to find me. I told myself I hate you then too, but I didn't. His eyes widened, pain evident in his gold eyes. Part of me was happy to see you, happy to know that you found me so fast, like you thought about me as much as I did about you when I was locked away. I did? You finished the last suture, tying the knot cleanly and tossing the suture tools aside to be cleaned later. You don't dare to look at him. Nggak mampu menatap.
Daydream about how I could apologize, how I would take it all back. Well, if I was braver back then, maybe I could have just...
He sighs heavily.
Could have just told you the truth.
Ya, kasih tahu kebenarannya. Kasih tahu kebenarannya dong. You're stunned as your eyes flick up in his direction. Then, tell me now. You plead softly. You want to know. You want to desperately salvage the broken connection you have with this man you once called your lover. Zachariah leans back against the couch, tilting his head to rest against the surface.
Boss wanted to use you as a bargaining chip.
What? Boss? Your mouth feels dry.
Target in the tower was a decoy.
Zachariah fist clenched, and you watch as he swallows.
Boss cut a deal with Ascension Tech. Free intel and supplies, cybernetics, and weaponry in exchange for you.
Tapi kenapa Assassin Text mau aku gitu loh, mau si MC, why? Parah
Sit
banget.
pretty in that tower like a glorified hostage.
What? Dikhianatin bos sendiri. Zachariah hissed bitterly, his eyes narrowing into slits. You're completely still, unsure of how to process this newfound revelation, but you feel the pain of betrayal sting your heart. Why me? Ya, kenapa coy?
No, why?
Why? He knew that you want to leave. Oh, kita mau pergi. You watch as Zacharias nod and you slump a little lower, defeated. The truth unfolds unpleasantly in your chest. The boss, no. Akita knew you and Zachariah want to leave for a new city and start fresh. Oh, kita mau pergi soalnya. Nah, bosnya kita ya. Thought you both what out.
So what better than a way to kill several birds with one stone? It's a fancy deal with Ascension. You get locked away as collateral and
And you? He grits his teeth, frustrated, and you reach for his hand, squeezing tightly.
I follow him obediently like a fucking dog.
Sabar ya. So that night, when the Swiss show up, I tip them off. You don't look away from him, but the hurt is palpable in both of you. Poorly healed wounds in both your hearts torn open. Luka lama terbuka kembali. Bleeding out in the open for either of you to witness. Zachariah clenched his fist.
Better you in the hands of them than a plaything for the fucking head of Ascension.
Ah.
But for what it's worth, I'm sorry. I should have taken your hand and never let go.
He loves humorless and
I
wry.
guess there's a lot of things I should have done better.
I wish you would have told me. I wish I did too. You're still clutching his hand like a lifeline, fingers laced with his closed ones. You trace your thumb over one of the veins on his hand. If I ask you to run now,
I would.
you would. You look up, shocked at his immediate admission, but you see nothing but absolute resolution in the man's eyes. Zach, I didn't even finish saying it.
Doesn't matter. I would. You could ask me tomorrow if I wanted to run with you, and I would. You could ask me a week after, a month, a year, or more. I'll always say yes.
Wow! You feel tears well in your eyes and run slowly down your cheeks. You sniff. Zachariah gets soft, turns and he strokes your cheek, pressing a stray tear away.
You could say anything, and I'd say yes for you. It's always only been you.
Aww, hanya kamu. He tucks you close into his chest and wraps his arm around you as you cry into the crook of his neck. Pelukan. You're stupid. You're...
The worst? Idiots? Yeah, but hell, screw Ascension. Screw Akito. Screw it all.
Screw it all. You hold back a sniffle and emit a watery laugh, your hands clutching the collar of his shirt tightly.
I'll even let you collar me and I'll bark for you.
Kinky! Dasar masuk. Your face flushes red at his admission and you smack his chest while he laughs. Shameless! Yeah, shame on you! Only for you. Ouch! The atmosphere quietens, the boiling intensity from before dying into a slow simmer. You sit back up, avoiding his eyes. There's so much that's still left unsaid. But for now you feel lighter. Oh, honeybee eye. Your heart jumps with a speck of hope. Ini kenapa lagunya ganti ya?
I still love you.
Hmm. You refuse to look into his eyes, but your heartbeat is hammering in your ribcage.
Come on, baby. Pouring my heart out here, you know?
Pouring my heart out here, you know. Shut up, you're so annoying. He loves gripping your chin firmly and forcing you to look at him. Wah, kita
Don't leave me hanging, honeybee.
honeybee. It's pretty obvious I still care. But we need time. We can't just pretend everything is okay again. He nods and you relax, leaning back into his embrace, holding him close. I'm willing to try it off and make this work. Sam, I'm not wasting this chance. But no more secrets, okay? We need to talk these things through. You can't just be doing stuff like this without asking me. Ya, komunikasi itu penting dalam suatu hubungan, coy. I know, I'm sorry. I promise I won't hide anything. Janji loh. Good. Good boy. You hug him tighter. Zachariah runs his hand up your back, tilting your head and pressing his lips against yours. You respond eagerly, your head raising to rest on his face as you kiss fervently. He leans back, yanking you closer, and you swing a leg over his thigh, straddling the blonde man up against the couch. His hands are feverish and possessive as they wander over your body and you bite at his lower lip. He yelps in surprise and you seize the chance to push your tongue into his mouth. He begs you for dominance, his tongue curling up against yours before biting down on your lip. You whimper in surprise, feeling him smirk against your lips, and you muster a glare. Zachariah's hand on your waist squeezes you tighter and he spurs his leg apart, forcing you to sit wider. Wow! You press yourself closer, pushing up against him, the friction below making you both gasp as you pull apart. Your kiss momentarily forgotten. Been a while. You hum softly, pressing your forehead against his.
So tell me, honeybee.
Tell you what? A smirk widens on his lips and you roll your eyes.
You still like it when I do this.
Zachariah's hand grips your neck, wow, squeezing gently and you feel a fire surge in your gut. Warm and sickly sweet as he tightens his grips. Yes! He smirks, pecking out your lips and cocks his head to the side.
We got some time, don't we? So what do you say?
Kan kalian Zack habis luka.
Wanna ride?
Wanna ride? With that injury, ya masih luka. Sure you won't die on me? You mock him as his knees narrow.
Guess you gotta spoil me and do all the work then.
His hands grip your hips tightly.
But don't worry, honeybee.
His voice dropped to a low whisper.
I'll be real good for you.
Feel good for you. The night continues, the quiet tranquility occasionally punctured by car horns and nightlife outside. But it's all unbeknownst to you both as you get lost in one another. A tangle of limbs, a battle of tongues, a bruising conquest of fingerprint, an unspoken admission of still surviving love. Udah pagi, you awake to the sound of Zachariah on the pond. Opening your eyes, you find him pacing around the living room with a towel slung over one shoulder. Habis mandi kah? His hair is slightly wet as he addresses your supposedly missing informant on the pond.
Hey, Hayate. You're one tough bitch to find.
Oh, Hayate. A heavy sick sound from the end of the other line.
In case you forgot, Akito is trying to kill us.
Or do you want another encore of Last Night Ambush? No, and I didn't forget. Hi Hayate.
Oh, you're here too. That's good. But I'm surprised you're willing to put up with this asshole again.
Masih cinta coy. You and me both.
Hey, that's not what you said last night when I was.
Wait,
Stop. I don't need to know.
don't need to know.
So, what do you need?
Akita's whereabouts.
If I knew, I wouldn't be sitting here doing fuck all, would I? So no.
Ya, dia nggak tahu.
But I do have a lead.
Oh, pray tell, my favorite, wonderful informant.
If hell freezes over.
Sesi banget. Zakaria smirked at Hayate's code, revealing his whereabouts. Ah, itu kode. Nice, I burned it all down.
So we're actually, how do you usually say it? Fucking shit out then.
Fucking shit.
Fuck yeah, we're gonna wreck this shit like it's Isengard.
Isengard. You look as Hayate hangs up, muttering something about how he really can't speak to Zakaria for too long. So we are doing this? Zakaria breathes out a sigh and pulls you close by the waist.
Yeah, we're gonna hit Akito where it hurts. Probably the balls.
Yeah, hajar! You roll your eyes.
Then it's happily ever after, honeybee.
Okay. You pry yourself from his hold, grabbing your gun and holster from the table, and strapping the harness back around yourself. Ah. Turning to Zakaria, you raise your brow at him. Well, let's go. Our thing won't topple itself. Zakaria grins at your reference and joins you, slinging an arm around your shoulder. God, you're sexy when you talk like that. You roll your eyes and pull him into a quick kiss. Mwah. And that he responds so eagerly. He pulls back, looking deep in thought, before his eyes light up again in realization.
I think when we fuck him up, we should set off fireworks.
Boom. You laugh, shaking your head before squeezing the hand of your lover tightly. Cii, pacaran lagi. Don't push it. Stepping out into the corridor, you both make your way down with more spring in your step than last night. You know you're walking right into danger. But as you look at the man next to you with his cocky smirk, honey eyes, and golden hair framing his face like a halo, you're not scared at all. Nggak takut karena ada Zakaria bareng sama kita. Squeezing his hand again, you both smile and set off to reunite with Hayate. Tamat. Baiklah. Apakah mereka akan berhasil gitu? Gue harap sih mereka berhasil balas dendam ya. Dah gitu aja berarti. Buku-buku Cagama. Oke, bagus sih. Berarti mereka jadi pacaran lagi. Cuman tadi heran sih ini voice-nya kurang ya. Kurang kenceng tadi padahal udah max gitu loh. Kekencangan musiknya. Ya, oke deh kalau gitu. Kredit. Thank you for loving Zakaria. I didn't expect a short 1000 word game to make him so appreciated. Ganteng coy. I originally didn't have any plans to make a spin-off, but I couldn't resist bringing him back for another adventure. Ayo ada lagi yang ketiga. I think his adventures with you are going to be a small collection of side stories. One that I'll come back to whenever inspiration hits, so we will likely see him again and hopefully Hayate too in the future. And yes, the Ascension mentioned in this is also the same Ascension in my other game. He's just away. Thank you for playing. Thank you for making the game. Tamat. Oke. Baiklah, itu aja berarti untuk Honey Trap Burn. Terima kasih yang udah nonton ya. Kalau misalnya ada yang mau dibahas gitu, silakan ke kolom komentar. Jangan lupa subscribe. Sampai ketemu di video selanjutnya. See you. Bye bye. Thank you.